All right, good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from whatever part of the world you're watching this video. If you're looking towards starting coding, if you're looking towards learning how to code, you want to learn a tech skill and you're choosing coding to be the tech skill you want, you don't know where to start from, you don't have money to pay any tutor and all that, I will refer you to FreeCodeCamp. Yes, FreeCodeCamp is a website where they teach about coding. This website teaches you absolutely free. You just have to come to your browser. If you have a smartphone, an internet network, that's all you need to start learning how to code. Yes, so you just come to your browser and you type FreeCodeCamp. Yes, this is it, FreeCodeCamp. It's a website that enables you code, write, learn from people with experience, people that are already into the coding business. Yeah, FreeCodeCamp enables you to do this without paying any dime. You come to sign up. When you come to sign up, you click this sign up tab here. It's going to take you to a page where, all right, you can log in either with your Gmail, your Google account. You can log in with GitHub account, or if you're using an Apple device, you can log in with Apple. So you just put your email here to continue your email. All right, verify your identity by, okay, they will send you a one-time email message. So when you access that message, you input the code here to sign in. So just come when you access the email.
Hello? Because I don't know, but as I know that the same thing started by another customer, but I'm surprised.
Alright, they just sent me a message, a code 61205. So I'm just going to input it. 61205. Alright, so we are going to click on the continue button. Okay, they say the code is invalid. Let's go back. 611205. 611205. 611205. All right, let's see if this will work. So this eventually works. Okay, yes, welcome to a new brand free code account. Let's get started. Yes, so yes, please, let's get started. This is how it looks. What in free verified certification with FreeCodeCamp core curriculum. You want to learn front-end development, it's a different thing entirely. Back-end is a different thing entirely. Coding, front-end, back-end, user interface, data visualization, they are all different things. So you have to know what you want to learn. So many people don't understand this. Front-end is different from back-end. Back-end is different from IU, user interface design. So you just pick which one you want to learn in particular. If you want to learn front-end, you just click this. I'm a front-end developer. So these are the course outline. Use responsive design with Bootstrap. Like this stuff is absolutely free. You can learn any programming language, front-end with any programming language. So just do all to come check them out. FreeCodeCamp. If you're somebody that you don't like to read, you get bored when reading and all those stuff, you like more of the visuals, you can just go to your YouTube, you type code with Gabriel. Alright, this channel is a new channel that teaches you about coding. Okay, here it is, Code with Gabriel. Teaches you about coding, a lot of stuff about coding, HTML, building your website. So it's basically a new channel and there's a lot of value, there's a lot of stuff you can learn from this channel. Do all to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updates from this channel. So this is it, FreeCodeCamp is a channel for you. FreeCodeCamp channel for you. Thank you.